Namaste. So I hope you have installed the software. You can refer the previous video to check how the installation is needed to be done. Once the software is installed, you will have a shortcut of booklet scanner on the screen. If you double click, a black window will open and it will start the server and the browser will directly open. So this is the very first time when the software was run, and we need to now do the basic configuration. One visual indication that the configuration is pending is the camera configuration over here is shown in red color. Also below that you can see none of the cameras or what we can say list of available hardware is populated. So right now, before we do proceed, just ensure both the cameras are plugged in to the computer. And now just click on camera configuration once. So this is now going to ask for permission. Okay, please allow the app to use the web cameras. And once you do allow, it will populate a list of all available cameras. You can see now the camera configuration has turned green. So this is an indication that now we are ready to use the software. So all the list of available cameras will be over here now. We have two areas, left camera and right camera. So first set the left camera. So I drop down and say out of two available options, I choose the first video. So right now in the left hand side, the right video is being displayed. So I just switch. So second camera is the proper one. And from the list, this is the second one. So here in the right camera, I choose the first option. Now, total three things needed to be done. One is camera configuration. Second, over here is setting proper values for each cameras. And third, over here is to do the trimming part over here. So first thing we have done, we do see both the cameras now available in the devices. Now let us change the camera resolution. Please keep both the values to 1440 and rotate both of them to 90 degree over here. So once you do this, it may happen that the preview may not be proper. Just press Ctrl plus F5 once or twice so that it loads all the values again from scratch. Just wait for the site to load. You can see it is still loading. And once the website loads, now we just need to press just F5. So right now you can see it is still being loaded. And once now the Control F5 hard reset is done. After that, we just need to press F5 once. I'm just waiting for the web page to reload. Okay. So in between also, we can just press F5 once. And the preview for both the cameras will be proper. Okay, so now you can see both the cameras are visible properly. Now, the third and the last thing over here to set is the trim value. So since we have rotated the cameras, initially this was the preview. So this was the left value and this was the right value. Now, since it is rotated, so left is over the top and right is on the bottom. So for both the cameras, for current values or for current resolution, the proper values, what are there that I'll just share. Before that, I just reduce the number of pages. And in order to start scanning, I just press space once. You can see over here, there is still some area which we do not want. So for that, we need to trim. I will hit escape for local reset and I'll just change the left and right trimming values for both the cameras to be 9 and 5. I'll just refresh the web page one. So this is one time setup what we have to do. And now if we press space, you will find that the extra or unwanted region from the page is gone. So these are the settings which we need to do. Now this is just a one-time setup what we are going to do. After this, we are now ready for the booklet scanning. Now in order to close this software, there will always be a black window which will be open. And if you do see on the top, the process is also written. We usually first need to close the browser tab so that both the cameras are released. Then on this window, press Control plus C and then Y and then hit enter. This will stop the booklet server.